What we're showing here is a preview of a new software that we will be introducing during the course of this year. Televic already has control management software for conference systems, but we are completely reworking it using the latest technologies in software development and also including a lot of more development possibilities for the future. What we are showing here is the operator screen that an operator would typically use to manage a conference. What we see here is the synoptic view of a conference with all the delegates which are participating in the meeting. The software allows for the operator to switch on and off microphones to see immediately who is currently speaking. If the system is in request mode, we'll see the requests that are coming in appearing on the screen here, and then when they are allowed to speak, the operator can move them to the speakers list, or when it's in automatic mode, whenever there's a free space available, the microphone will switch on automatically. If we are in a big conference room with a large number of seats, it can be interesting to have a more general overview of the meeting, and this navigator screen here allows us to browse through the window that shows all the delegates. So here, for example, we could zoom in using this navigator, and then we can move to another seat to have a closer look there. So imagine that you have a conference room of, for example, 800 seats. It's not easy to visualize 800 seats on one single screen, but using this navigator you can easily go from one area in the meeting room to the other. If, as an operator, you want to maximize your synoptic view on the screen and leave out all the other information, you can easily do this by clicking these handles, and then the screen gets maximized. You can bring them back up. That's it. Here in this ribbon on top are all the settings or all the controls which are essential for controlling a meeting. Here we can pause or start or stop a meeting. We can set the conference mode, which is now in a direct access mode, the number of speakers that are allowed, also a speech timer, which allows the operator to control how long people are allowed to speak. So suppose that people are allowed to speak for 3 minutes. What will happen is, as soon as a microphone gets activated, the speech time will be displayed also here on the speakers list, and also it will be displayed on the signage screen, which will show a little bit later on. Also, there's a number of controls here for the sound of the inputs, auxiliary inputs, or the sound of the speakers of the conference system in the meeting room. Later on this year, we'll also be introducing the voting functionality and also a number of functionalities for simultaneous interpretation.